So Amscreen manufacture outdoor digital sign solutions. So one of Europe's biggest manufacturer of those solutions. There's been huge growth in that market over the last 10 years, during which Amscreen has grown to have multiple products in over 15 different European countries. And we're able to turn around, thanks in large parts to tools, including SOLIDWORKS, turn around custom designs for our customers in a very short space of time. And this has meant that we've been able to grow successfully in all of these markets and have grown as a business over the last 10 years immensely. Amscreen has always had a really strong focus on innovation. So the ability to produce products that are lightweight, easy to ship around, have a low carbon footprint, this is absolutely critical. And again, using SOLIDWORKS and some of these simulation tools, we're creating some really quite radical new ideas that will allow us to improve our carbon footprint. SOLIDWORKS is an absolutely critical part of our design operation here. We use it from the very earliest stages of a new concept. We'll draw up some initial concepts very quickly, discuss it with the client. We then use it all the way through the prototype design, through to the detailed design. It integrates with our PDM system.
So we're currently going through a data migration process from our provider to a new ERP system. And PDM has been fantastic for that because I can modify this data to suit our new system on a large scale. I can get a bunch of assemblies, a bunch of parts and convert part numbers, descriptions, product groups, basically all in one go. Whereas normally we'd have to go through each individual part and do that. So PDM's been fantastic for that.
We've now started to use more and more of the simulation tools within SOLIDWORKS. So we've used it for quite some time in terms of finite element analysis, so stress analysis, ensuring that our products are able to withstand the quite heavy loads they experience. We've started to use it with CFD, so Computational Fluid Dynamics, to model the heating, cooling systems, which are an absolutely critical part of each of our signs.
The calculations behind CFD are incredibly time-consuming and complex to do by hand. SOLIDWORKS, we can leave that running overnight and then come back the next day and we've got, 5 different fan sizes.
So what we're moving towards is a design philosophy which involves a digital twin. So before we even start to commit to any kind of tooling, we want to have a complete 3D model of our entire system, including the heat transfer, the fluid flow, the mechanical stress analysis, and SOLIDWORKS allows us to integrate all of those together seamlessly. The tools that we're using within SOLIDWORKS are obviously extremely advanced now, and we do require support from time to time. And having a partner like SOLIDWORKS can help us with that, smoothing the pathway commercially to getting some of these new modules added in has always been a great help to us.